So this is kind of a part two to some seeds I'm experimenting with right now. Let me show you the seed packets here. So we got, this one is a sea berry or sea buckthorn. They produce little berries that can be used to make like a good jam. And then we got more longleaf pine here. Or sorry, this is the bristlecone pine, not longleaf pine. So I think this is one that I had planted and it hasn't survived. I think that a bristlecone pine is the oldest living tree that's been discovered, if I remember correctly. And they're like a high desert tree. And then we got some coast redwood here. They have tiny little seeds. They kind of have to be surface stone, very close to surface stone. And these are giant sequoias. They look like little oats. Because you got to imagine these are going to be coming out of pine cones. So I've got some here. I'm just going to kind of tuck into the soil. Not very deeply. Very close to surface zone. Similar to, not exactly how I would do some flower seeds. Some flower seeds are like chamomile seeds. They're almost non-existent. They're like little fine hairs practically. So those have to be surface sown. This is like superficially covered. And then I have tried all of these before and I've gotten them all to germinate, but they haven't made it past seedlings. So this is going to be me trying again, and I will post updates when I have them.